Welcome to Reid Packaging of Atlanta, Georgia. Founded in 1983, Reid Packaging has long been an established and trusted manufacturer of crating and transport packaging solutions for equipment manufacturers, exporters, and military and government suppliers throughout the Southeast and the country. Our 60,000 square foot facility in North Atlanta is equipped with an assortment of precision tools, carefully chosen to enable us to make complex one-off crates and boxes, while also providing the capacity for high-volume production. Many of our technicians have been with us for decades and build each crate with the skills and attention to detail developed over those years. We maintain an extensive inventory of dimensional lumber, plywood, corrugated, polyethylene and polyurethane foam sheets, vapor barrier materials, and desiccants. Everything we need to ensure your items are protected not only from impact, but also from moisture and vibration. We also have teams of skilled technicians equipped to professionally package your items on-site at your facility. If you're looking for a packaging manufacturer you can be confident has the capacity to reliably deliver your industrial transport crates and boxes, get in touch with Reid Packaging. We look forward to working with you.